we decided that back in 2018 or so, pardon me, that we would open a wholesale bread bakery so we can sell the bread to restaurants.
That was a big pivot then, because that's not what it turned into being.
It never actually ever started that way at all, because we selected our location with that in mind, which is why we're at where we get asked that pretty often. Why are you out here in Spring Branch in this industrial area? And we're like, well, because it was never really intended to be a retail location. But the moment we started baking and nearby neighbors would come and smell the bread baking, and they were asking, so where can we buy your bread? So that brings us to kind of where we are today, where we go between 20 and 25 team members in size. We are still working with restaurants, but I would say that it's probably like a 70-30 split, 30% restaurant revenue and 70% retail, which we did not see coming, but like everything that you learn in business school, which was so reassuring, it's about adapting. And we've, continued to reinvest almost all the profits back into the business, which is how we're able to expand and move into the Heights, which is going to just be a super exciting project, and we'll start construction on soon.